Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Eek plus wall, equal. Right plus C, rights, equal rights. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome again to our program. I hope you have a good time in the next half hour as these two women play Classic Concentration. The lady on my right plays it very well. She won the last game of our last program, picked up over $4,000 in prizes. This is a former lieutenant colonel in the United States Air Force, Butch Dresser. Welcome back, Butch.
Hello, Alex. Thank you.
Where did you spend most of your time in the Air Force?
All over the country.
All over the country?
Right.
Any foreign bases?
No.
No, just here in the U.S.
Right.
All right. Good luck to you today against this newcomer, Alana Einemer?
Yes.
I got it right on the last one. All right.
Nice
Hi,
to meet
Alana. Where are you from?
I was born in Hawaii, and I've lived in California from then.
Hawaii and California. Not bad, not bad. How old are you, may I ask?
How old do you think?
Well, you look very young to me. Of course, a lot of people look
I
young
have
to
2
me.
children.
Are you serious? You could be 12. All right, well, you don't have to tell me how old you are, but you do look very young. I was thinking that you're still in school. You're a teenager or something.
College.
College? Majoring in what?
Not quite sure.
Not quite sure? Well, that's okay. You've got plenty of time to think about it. Take a look over here, and we will show you some beautiful jewelry.
This beautiful 14-karat gold emerald-cut amethyst ring and this stunning amethyst diamond bracelet may be a lovely addition to your wardrobe. Furnished by Goldilocks Jewelry. Alex.
The ring and the bracelet, the jewelry on the board at number 22. And Alana, you get to select first, and we have a holiday in Bermuda.
Ooh, love it.
Go to work.
Okay, let's look for the holiday. Number 8, please.
Crystal glassware.
Glassware. Okay, let's look for the match or a wild card on number 5, please.
Leather attachés for 2. No match. Butch.
Okay, let's start with number 12.
Bermuda.
Oh, how about a wild card? Number 10, maybe?
Dining room set. Alana.
Okay, let's see number 20, please.
Wild card.
All right, and Bermuda number 12, please.
12 for Bermuda.
Yes.
The young lady was born in Hawaii, lives in Southern California, and would like to go to another great beach, one in Bermuda. The natural match on the board at number 4. 3 doors opening up for our challenger. Select again.
Okay, let's see number 15, please.
Refrigerator, freezer.
Okay, let's look for a match or a wild card on number 11, please.
Amethyst bracelet and ring. No match there.
Oh,
Butch.
was that under number 22?
Was it under number 22? Yes.
And number 11, please.
Right.
Good job, sir.
I have noticed that quite often on our program, and you've probably noticed this as well, Butch, a lot of the matches are in doubles of the number. 11, 22, 12, 24, 7, 14, 8, 15. Huh? Let's open these 2 doors. Still tough at this stage, I know.
Right.
Pick again, Butch.
Let's try number 8, please.
Crystal glassware.
And number 23.
No, that's the leather attachés. Alana.
I think the leather attaché was a number 5.
Correct.
And the match at number 23, please.
You are right. And there's a match for you and another prize going up there. Can't put much clothing in the leather attachés if you go to Bermuda, but that's all right. 2 doors are going to open for you, Alana. Select.
Okay, number 1, please.
Red take.
Red take. Okay, let's see what's under number 21.
No, a perfume set. Butch.
Let's try number 15, please.
Refrigerator, freezer.
And number 8.
Crystal glassware. We're back to that. Alana.
Okay, number 3, please.
Green take.
Green take. Let's see what's under number 14.
Red take. Not a match. Butch.
Let's look under number 24.
Wild card.
Oh. How about number 3?
Green take. The other green take is in the lower right-hand corner at number 25. Here's the take. Here's the situation. It's early in the game. She's got those leather attachés, and those are terrific. You would love them. She also has the Holiday in Bermuda.
I think I'll wait a little bit.
All right. Judgment. Judgment. Lady has judgment. Open these 3 panels for Butch. Go again.
Number 17, please. And number 8.
Crystal glassware, yeah.
When I had that before.
We saw it often enough at that position. It wasn't difficult to make the match. Do we wait?
Yes, one more time.
We wait. One more time.
At least one.
At least one. We may wait all day. 2 doors opening up for BD. Go again.
Number 14, please.
Red take.
Number 1.
Red take. What do you bet we're not going to wait now?
You're right. We'll take Bermuda.
Take Bermuda.
Thank you.
We'll get the leather attachés later, says Butch.
Later.
Open it up, please. Select again.
Number 2.
Still a wild card up there, by the way. Popcorn popper.
that'd
That's
be
fun.
nice. Number 18.
Perfume set. Saw that P come up, and I figured you had made the match. Alana?
I think the perfume set's under number 21.
Right?
Okay, and number 18,
18
please.
makes it a match, yes. Goes up there to add to what you have already, the attachés. Yeah, I know you missed that, that vacation. Open the panels for Alana. Pick again.
Okay, number 7, please. And number 15 for the match.
Refrigerator freezer is a match. Still a wild card up there, but maybe Alana won't need it. She might be able to solve the puzzle right now. Try it again.
Okay, let's see number 6, please.
Wild card.
Okay. Let's see number 10.
10 is the dining set. Didn't we see that a while ago? In the middle at number 13, yes. 3 panels are opening for you, Alana. You may have uncovered a very important piece of this puzzle. Let's look. Pick again.
Okay, number 16.
Cedar
Cedar
chest.
chest.
Gosh, I think this is the first time we've seen that one.
And number 2. Oh,
Popcorn popper. Butch?
Is that cedar chest under 19?
No.
Oh, no, but I'll take the popcorn popper. Number 2.
Number 2, that makes it a match. And you're going to clear the board, so you might as well use your take.
I'll take the refrigerator freezer.
Refrigerator freezers.
All my furniture is early marriage.
Early marriage?
Yes.
Okay. And how many years have you been married?
40.
40 years?
Yes.
Congratulations. That's
Thank
great.
you.
How many children?
Same man.
Well, yeah.
I have 3 children.
Remember, folks, here in Southern California, you have to add that. It could have been 40 years of happy marriage to 6 guys.
That's right.
All right. Popcorn popper doors are opening. We will then show you 9 and 16. Those prizes will match. That's the cedar chest. And when we open these 2 panels, Butch, I want you to solve this puzzle.
Is it let's be honest about it?
Let's be honest about it. Butch is honest about it. She's going to go to Bermuda, among other things. Come on, Butch. Watch your step now.
We had the L plus the hits and the B and the bulb is on and the bird's in the nest. Let's be honest. Up and the plus out plus a hit. About it.
Let's be honest about it. All right, Alana, I'm sure you could have solved it also, but you didn't have a chance towards the end. You've got 1 strike against you only. We'll see you in game number 2 in a
All
little
right,
bit.
good luck, Butch.
Thank you.
Butch, you're going to be doing some traveling, and you've got some prizes to enjoy. Jean, tell her about them.
Crystal glassware, a popcorn popper, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a popcorn popper or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a cedar chest. Plain settee cedar chest with tumbleweed finish has combined seating and storage. Offers the best from the past and heirloom treasures of the future. Furnished by Lane. And a refrigerator freezer. This Hot Point no frost refrigerator features a spacious interior with adjustable glass shelves. Designed for easy cleaning and large see-through meat and vegetable storage bins. Furnished by Hot Point and Bermuda. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality. Furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mermaid Beach Club on the South Shore, overlooking a glorious private beach with on-premises swimming pool, European-style dining, and nightly entertainment. Furnished by the Mermaid Beach Club. And, of course, the beautiful amethyst diamond ring. And I gotta tell you, Butch, honesty pays, because you have prizes totaling $6,966.
Great win for you, Butch. And plenty of time on the clock to win a brand new car when we return.
Need your lawn mowed?
All right, Butch. Here are the 15 numbered squares again. You're going to be operating with 45 seconds, 3/4 of a minute. Good luck. Off you go.
Thank you. 1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
Nope.
7, 8.
Nope.
9, 10. 6, 9. 5, 9. 11, 12. 13, 14. 12, 14. 12, 13. 4, 12. They're there somewhere. 15, 9.
You'll track them down.
1, 3.
No.
1, 14. 11, 2. 3, 8. 3, 11.
All right. There
1.
we go.
4, 9.
No.
6, 7. 8, 10.
Just call out a whole bunch of numbers. You were going about 600 miles an hour. No, you're not getting worse. It's tough, though, when you don't make those early matches, because then you start pushing, you start pressing, and when you press, it hurts you. But hey, you've got $11,330 in prizes. You're going to Bermuda, you're going to Hawaii. Great vacations coming up, and we're coming back after this. Before we get into game number 2, an apology to all of you folks out there. I have been misleading you because of erroneous information, probably a lack of attention on my part. Butch Dresser did not serve in the military, did not serve in the Air Force. He was married to a man who did. He retired as a lieutenant colonel.
That's right.
But I'll tell you what, when you're a military wife, an Air Force wife or an Army wife, it's as if you're serving.
You are in service also.
You bet.
Right.
All right, you ready to play game number 2, Butch?
I'm ready.
You too, Alana?
I'm ready.
Check it out. This is fun.
Pin Seeker's set of custom-made golf clubs, including stainless steel woods with matching radius sole irons and a deluxe staff bag furnished by Pin Seeker. Alex.
Okay, we don't have to worry about Marjorie leaving Classic Concentration to go on the ladies' professional golf tour anytime in the near future. Alana and Butch, take a look on the board. The golf club's at number 19. We have the cash pot in this game, of course, and it's up to $600. 5 bonus car seconds also, and a vacation in Las Vegas. Alana, select.
Okay, let's get a wild card under number 2, please.
Yes. Now, what are you going to do with it? The only prize you've seen is the golf clubs.
Ask my dad. Forget golf.
Alrighty.
He's the golfer. Okay, let's see what's under number 22, please.
22, good number. Diamond necklace.
Ooh, I'll take it.
The other diamond necklace is at number 7, so 3 panels in that second column for Alana. That doesn't look too bad, does it? If you look at it one way and then look at the other part, we have the makings of a very suggestive half hour here. Alana, select again. Reveal something else, because I'm sure it's not what we think it is.
I want to see what's under number 6, please, to reveal more of what's there.
Me too. A water filter system. Interesting positioning. Go again.
And number 9, please.
9? No, green take. Butch?
Well, I'll see the other end of that interesting figure there. Number 8
Dessert of the month.
and number 24.
Dessert of the month. That's right. We'll get to see a little more now. It'll clear up the mystery. Open it up. Aha.
Didn't help a whole lot.
Not much.
We're dealing with a very sick-looking body there, ladies and gentlemen. Butch, pick again.
Number 3, please.
Red tape.
And number 16.
No cash pot. Alana?
Okay, let's see number 20, please.
Water filter.
And number 6.
Water filter. 2 more doors, swinging open. This time for Alana. Select again.
Okay, let's see under number 10, please.
Golf clubs.
And number 19.
Golf clubs. Alana gets it.
All right.
Gets a look at the puzzle.
Lessons then.
All righty, open up these panels for Alana. Pick again.
Okay, let's see under number 4, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
And number 21.
Cash pot, no match. Butch.
Oh, is that cash pot number 11?
No, that's Las Vegas.
Well, that'd be nice. Number
Las Vegas
25.
mine. Number 25, no, green take. Alana.
Okay, was the cash pot under number 17?
No.
Red take. Okay, and number 1?
Las Vegas. Butch.
Oh, number 1 and number 12.
Oh, no, but it's going to work out for you. You strayed from that first column, and you shouldn't have, because the other Las Vegas, Nevada vacation is right next door at number 11. And so 3 panels opening up for you, Butch.
Is it armed to the teeth?
Is it armed to the teeth? By golly, it is. And look at those 2 symbols that we're showing. We were seeing just a little square of each. And boy, does it look a lot different now. Butch, let's go to the board.
We have the suggestive looking piece here is an arm plus the D, armed. Down here is a tooth plus plus teeth. Armed, tooth, the teeth.
Armed to the teeth. Well, good news for you. You've won your 2nd game in a row against this young lady, and it's bad news for Alana, unfortunately. 2 strikes, so you'll have to be content with the gifts we have for you backstage. Sorry about that,
It was a lot
Alana,
of
but
fun.
it was a
Good
delight
luck,
having you here.
Butch.
Take care, Alana. So long. Butch, you want to hear about your winnings this time?
Yes.
Good. Gene, tell her.
Dessert of the month and Las Vegas, Nevada. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, and you'll spend 6 nights enjoying the casual elegance and round-the-clock excitement of the Four Queens Hotel Casino in the heart of downtown Las Vegas. Furnished by the Four Queens Hotel Casino.
Well, Butch and I were just talking about the fact that she is going to do a lot of traveling thanks to her performance on Classic Concentration, and she may get to drive away also if she wins a brand new car when we come back. Determined look about her. She wants to win a brand new car, and she'll have an opportunity to do that after we hear this from Margie.
If you would like to try out for Classic Concentration and you live in the Los Angeles area, or you're coming to Los Angeles, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234. That's area code 213-965-1234. Now back to the dashing and handsome Alex Trebek.
Obviously, she's auditioning for America's Funniest Home Videos. 15 numbered squares for you here, Butch. 50 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
Thank you. 1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 5,
No.
8, 9,
No.
10, 7,
No.
11, 12, 4, 13,
Yep.
14, 6,
No.
15, 1,
Yes.
2, 7,
Yep.
3, 8,
Nope.
10, 11,
Nope.
3, 11,
Right.
9, 14,
Right.
8, 6.
Did a lot better that time. You got within 2 matches of winning a brand new car, so you're cruising along very nicely. You've got $13,187 in prizes. You've got Hawaii. You've got some other great places to go to. And you're going to be playing in another game. But first, we have to take this break and hear this message from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Klondike frozen desserts. Taste you can sink your teeth into. Original ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, and calorie-conscious light bars. Plus, the Klondike Bear, furnished by Klondike, will be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Butch is the mother of 3 grown children. She has 2 grandchildren. How old are the little ones?
6 and 2.
You get to spend a lot of time with them?
A lot of time.
That's right. All of your family
And
is here.
grandmothering. Yes,
Yeah, it's
they
here
all
in
live
Southern
here.
California, so it's kind of neat.
Yes, it
Now,
is.
you're going to enjoy all these travels. You're going to
Oh, you
Kona,
bet.
Hawaii. You've got Las Vegas. You've got Bermuda.
I'm going.
You're going?
Yes.
You'll take your husband?
Yes, I will.
Good idea.
I'm
Good
used to
thinking. We're going to say goodbye for today. We'll be back tomorrow. Join us then. So long.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.